I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Hey kids, welcome back. JJ's Cheap Ass Hat Cam. Today is the day. You're gonna see some sick shit. The Monster Pop Test. This was the bird that I did in the build-off against my buddy Twitch in the club. This is running the Wild Willie 2306 2700 kV motors. I'm not gonna lie to you, I did pop this yesterday to tune it in, and I didn't tune it in. Running Butterflight. The props I'm using are these. The APC 5.1 5.0. I think I got these from Race Day Quads, if I'm not mistaken. They are badass. They're very flexible, which is kind of odd. But this is, I'm going to have to say, the dumbest bird I've ever built. This thing is so fucking fast. It's just like, I haven't flown at FPV yet, and I'm not going to in the neighborhood. I'm actually scared to pop test it in the neighborhood. That is how fast this bird is. In about 2 seconds, it goes out of sight. I'm not kidding. This is a half-charged Black Label 1380C 4S. This bird is capable, this is a 4S bird. This is not a 5S. Guys, if you got $250 to spend, copy my build video. You don't even have to modify the frame, because I'm sure my buddy Twitch's, Joe over in New Jersey, he didn't modify his frame. It's the standard Space One, and it'll fly just as well. This just looks a little meaner maybe, but watch this. This is so stupid. I'm probably gonna lose the fucking thing. Oh my. It's like you got a fast bird when your blood goes, oh shit! Motor beeper. Okay, here we go. Watch this. It's just stupid. I'm going half throttle, by the way. Let's give it a real punch here. It's just, I'm pretty sure the camera's not picking up how insanely fast this bird is. It's hovering at about a quarter throttle. It's actually climbing a little bit. Just stupid. It's just out of sight. I am in love with this bird. It's probably one of the cheaper birds I've built in a very long time, and I'd have to say it's the fastest. Let's do it again. Angle mode. Oh my lord, these motors. Just so badass. It doesn't want to come down. There is absolutely no wind whatsoever today. I can't get it down. Look at the throttle. Never leave trash in your yard. Look at that shit. Let's test the motors, see what they're like. And that's on a half-charged battery. I mean, it's not even fully charged. Motors are lukewarm, and it's about 86 degrees outside. This thing, kids, like I said, if you got $250 burning a hole in your pocket, follow my build video, build this bird. It's just, I cannot wait to fly this FPV. It's just absolutely stupid. So, till next time, bam. Keep shining side up, kids. Bye.
Bam, JJ! Hope you like fishing. Bam, JJ! Hey, JJ! Hope you like fishing.